You probably take paracetamol without a second thought, but what if that familiar pill hides serious risks you're completely unaware of? Most of us reach for paracetamol to tackle pain or fever. It's a household staple found in almost every medicine cabinet. Yet, knowing its power means understanding its boundaries. In this video, we're uncovering 3 critical risks associated with paracetamol and, more importantly, how you can use it safely to protect your health. Get ready to rethink how you approach this common drug. The biggest danger lurking with paracetamol is liver damage, especially if you take too much. Imagine this. You have a pounding headache, so you take a pill. A few hours later, still hurting, you might take another or even grab a different cold medicine without realizing both contain paracetamol. Suddenly, you've doubled your dose without even knowing it. This easy mistake can overload your liver, leading to serious harm, even failure. Secondly, while less common, chronic misuse can sometimes impact your kidneys. And third, though rare, some people can experience severe allergic reactions, like swelling or trouble breathing. The key to safety is simple. Always read the label. Never exceed the recommended adult dose, usually 1,000 milliliters per dose, up to a maximum of 4,000 milliliters in 24 hours. Double-check other medications for paracetamol to avoid accidental overdosing. When in doubt, always chat with your doctor or pharmacist. Understanding these risks isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. Knowing how to use paracetamol correctly means you can get relief safely. Want to discover which pain relievers are safest for long-term use? Click here for our next video.